Good day everyone, in this video we'll quickly and easily show you how to convert a RAR file to ICO. So it's going to be our archive file into the disk image. So first up, just type in any to ICO like this. This is just a free tool that allows us to convert exactly to the format we need. So just download it, it's completely free. I've already downloaded it, I have it on my desktop right over here, and then when you install it, just launch it. And you will get this super simple interface that you can use now to convert your files. So for example, as you can see, I have this RAR sample archive. If I go to it, right click, properties, as you can see, the extension is .rar. So this is what we need. You just drag and drop into the program like this. And now as you can see, it's showing in the path. And you can also choose where to convert it to which location. In my case, it's going to be into the same location in here in the desktop, and the file that's being converted also shows the path. And then you just press on convert, and now as you can see, it was super fast. And now as you can see, it's turning into the disk image file. If I right click and go ahead and watch the see the extension, it's now converted to ICO. That's it guys, enjoy the video. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.